ever stood in front of a beautifully handcrafted wooden table and thought, I wish I could make something like that? Well, you're not alone. Woodworking has long been seen as a skilled craft, something reserved for experts or hobbyists with full workshops and decades of experience. But today, I want to challenge that mindset. What if I told you that with just a few basic tools, a little patience, and a spark of creativity, you could create something stunning even if you've never picked up a saw before? Wood is one of the most forgiving, versatile, and satisfying materials to work with. It's warm, tactile, and real, unlike the digital pixels and plastic parts that dominate our modern world. There's something deeply satisfying about creating with your hands, the smell of fresh-cut pine, the grain patterns that emerge with a bit of sanding, the quiet pride that comes from making something from nothing. Whether it's a simple shelf, a rustic picture frame, or your very first birdhouse, every beginner project is a doorway into a lifelong creative journey. What makes woodworking truly exciting for beginners today is how accessible it's become. No longer do you need an expensive workshop or industrial-grade tools. Creative woodworking is booming online, with easy-to-follow guides, budget-friendly starter kits, and countless ideas for small-scale projects that require only the basics. It's not about perfection. It's about the process. Every uneven edge or accidental nail mark tells a story, your story, and that's what makes your creation unique. So if you've been waiting for a sign to start, this is it. The world of woodworking is wide open, and it's calling to the part of you that wants to build, explore, and express. Your first cut might not be perfect, your first project might wobble a little, but the moment you step into this creative space, you'll realize it's not just about building things, it's about building confidence, calm, and craft. Hello everyone, and welcome to our session on creative woodworking projects for beginners. Whether you're here out of curiosity, creativity, or the desire to finally pick up a new hobby, I'm thrilled to have you. This gathering is more than just a workshop or a seminar, it's a space for exploration, learning, and community where everyone, regardless of skill level, is invited to take that first step into the hands-on world of woodworking. Woodworking, especially for beginners, is less about mastering a craft overnight and more about embracing a process, a journey where you get to work with natural materials and watch your imagination come to life. We are not here to judge crooked lines or wobbly joints. We are here to celebrate creativity, to learn from every nick and notch, and to discover just how rewarding it is to create something functional, beautiful, and handmade. For beginners stepping into the world of woodworking, the journey starts not with grand furniture or complex tools, but with simple, satisfying projects that build both skill and confidence. Creative woodworking projects are those that go beyond basic utility. They allow room for artistic flair, customization, and personal expression. Think of a hand-painted key holder shaped like a house, a wall-mounted herb garden made from repurposed pallets, or a minimalist phone docking station that doubles as a decorative desk piece. These kinds of beginner-friendly projects are not just functional, they also spark creativity and teach valuable woodworking principles like measuring, cutting, joining, and finishing, all in manageable steps. One of the greatest advantages of creative beginner projects is that they typically require minimal tools and materials. A hand saw, a drill, some sandpaper, and wood glue are often enough to get started. Projects like candle holders, rustic picture frames, or small storage crates use basic joinery techniques and softwoods like pine, which are easy to shape and forgiving to work with. Many beginners also enjoy using scrap wood or reclaimed materials, which not only keeps costs low but also introduces an element of sustainability. This approach teaches resourcefulness and encourages makers to think inventively, seeing potential in what others might throw away. These starter projects are also incredibly customizable, which keeps the process fun and engaging. A simple wooden tray can be personalized with paint, stencils, wood-burning designs, or even decorative hardware. A small bookshelf becomes a statement piece when shaped like a tree or painted in vibrant colors. This kind of creative freedom empowers beginners to experiment, make mistakes without fear, and truly make the project their own. It's this blend of structure and flexibility that makes creative woodworking such a compelling hobby. It teaches technical skills while giving space for artistic expression. Most importantly, creative woodworking projects foster a sense of accomplishment early on. Unlike large furniture builds that may take weeks or require precision joinery, beginner projects can often be completed in a day or a weekend. That quick turnaround not only provides tangible results but also builds momentum. Each project completed is a stepping stone to more advanced work, but even the simplest item, a hand-sanded cutting board, a wooden phone stand, or a rustic tea light holder, can fill a beginner with pride.